Managing your business finances manually can be overwhelming and time-consuming. Let's simplify it by adding your business bank account to Xero and automating your transaction flow. Let's get started. Step 1 is to add your business bank account. Head over to the accounting menu and select Bank Accounts. Then click on Add Bank Account. Xero makes it easy by recommending popular banks in your region. You can select your bank from the list, or if it's not there, just search for it. Note, in some cases, you'll need to add your bank account in Xero first and then apply for a bank feed separately. The next steps can vary based on your bank. For many banks, Xero will redirect you to the bank's website, where you can add your account and connect your bank feed simultaneously. Simply log in and follow the steps as guided. Once you are connected, you can import your bank transactions into Xero. Now you're all set to keep your business finances streamlined and efficient. And there you have it. With SaasAnt Transactions, your days of manually entering data into Xero are over. It's the game changer for effortless, accurate, and quick data import. Why spend hours on manual entry when SaasAnt can handle it in minutes? Click the link below, start your free trial, and step into a world of accounting made easy.